What's up? It's your girl Taylor here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're at the title, you kind of know what this is about. This is my first kind of review on a product that is not sponsored, but you know, this is like one of the famous Instagram hyped products that a lot of people get, and I got 5 palettes, okay, so do not judge me. I got 5 Juvia'S palettes. Don't ask how much this was. The Saharan, it has your black or nude, your Zulu palette, got your really pretty colors, Dulce palette, and isn't it the Magic palette? Cool. And it goes like another cool, and then the mascara and browns. But it's really pretty. People use it for like really colorful looks. And if you don't know me by now, I'm a colorful person. Doing natural looks is actually kind of hard for me because I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do today? I'm reviewed. I'm gonna do a look. As you see, my eyebrows and my eyelids are prepped, and then I'll finish my face. I'm gonna show y'all a brush. If you ain't watched any of my other videos, this brush right here, the Mikasa E300, best blending brush I have to date. If I find something better than this, then it's gonna be a while because I ain't got no more money. But I got a coupon code, y'all, down below in the description box for Mikasa brushes. I highly recommend them. They're so good.
I'm shook. Look at it. Like, what? You can even see that on camera? What? What?
The yellow color.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind. Don't want to feel you.
It's looking better with this orange. Because at first I was like, this yellow is not what's up. But the Koji, that color.
Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. 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 Mind.
Blackweeds.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. On my mind, on my mind, 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 mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind.
Blackweeds.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind.
Alright, cool. So, I got this. Got the last one. So I'm about to see if I like it or not. Oh, look at it. That is trophy wife. Better watch out. No, I'm just kidding. I would never disrespect Rihanna like that. I can't see it yet. I'm doing this side.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my
Whoa,
mind.
chill out.
Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, mind, mind.
It's like a white gold. This is pretty. That's exactly what it is. It's like, ooh, I'm looking in the monitor. Whoa.
Blackweeds.